2. Okay. We're recording! I've been going back and forth so many times.
They're too small.
Come here.
Perfect. There you go. Are those yours or your sister?
It's my sister's.
Oh, that's right.
She's too small.
You guys are like the same size, huh?
Yeah.
You don't want to wear them?
Oh, the things are blowing away. Oh, they're floating.
Those both are yours?
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, this is really fun. We're burying Han. No, just be careful. Han, say hi to the camera. Han, say hi to the camera. Oh, I feel...
That feels cool.
How do you feel?
You feel cool. Don't you feel like a movie star? You feel like a movie star.
Make her pregnant. Make her pregnant. Make her pregnant.
They go deep, man. They go deep. Hey, pack it so she can't get in.
Do you want her feet or no? Make her look pregnant.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, make her look pregnant. Put a towel on her. Give her a big tummy.
Hey,
where's your feet?
Go get some corn.
Get a corn, get a corn. Tammy, go get a corn. No, Tammy, don't do it. I'm going to kick you right there. Tammy, go get a corn. Where is it? It's in one of those bags. Oh, it is?
That's an alien baby, dude.
What?
Oh, my
God. What?
If you do this, you won't get canned.
No, stick it. Stick it right in the middle of the top.
Stick it that way. Stick it that way. This is better on my MySpace.
Yeah.
Hands out and take your coin out first.
Okay, go.
Corn.
Go.
You try to grow corn.
I'm going to eat that too, man. Shit monster.